Yes.
Okay. Did I pronounce your name correctly? Subod?
Yeah, Subod.
Subod. Okay. Hi, Subod. So, so currently you are in Malaysia?
Yes.
Okay. So you migrated to Malaysia, or you are a Malaysian national?
No, just relocated. I waited.
Pardon?
Relocated here.
Oh, okay.
From
So
India.
you're local of Malaysia. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah.
Give a little background.
Yeah. My name is Subod, as you know, and I am from near Delhi of India. So I was passed BTech in 2017. Then I am working from the same years, and with now in the same software fields. I was started my career as a PHP developer when I was a fresher, started working in fresher. And after 1 or 2 years, was worked in India. Then via LinkedIn, I found a job opportunity in the China base also. I have also overseen East China on-site company experience. So I was there. So just due to COVID, I was returned. So then after some time again, I was just continuing with Indian companies. Then again started with after some time again via the LinkedIn, I got an opportunity to Malaysian on-site based company. So currently I am working as a software field. Currently my company is working like a service-based company. So currently I am working on individually as a IoT projects, like IoT, like with sockets and Angular with the Node, backend is Node and Angular. So my skills are simply as a full stack. Currently I'm working as a full stack, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Angular, React, PHP, MySQL, and with the frameworks PHP and Angular both. And also I'm comfortable with handling REST APIs with the frameworks or like core PHP, all those things. And also I'm comfortable. Also I have knowledge of servers like AWS, Linux, Windows, CentOS, and also I will manage CI/CD pipelines, those automated with CI/CD. And also I have working knowledge of modern tools, Jira, Trello, and Git version control. There are more. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that. Okay, you mentioned here in my questionnaire, I asked you, why would you want to change your job? And your answer is, current project already went to live. No other project in the company pipeline.
Yeah, correct.
Could you tell me something about this project? Just a project profile. What is it about?
Yeah,
and which language you use? Yeah, just give me a short guide.
Yeah, we say the language for the frontend Angular and the backend Node.js, and also I have one panel also in the Laravel, the backend. So we have 2 or 3 panels. The project is based on IoT. Suppose you have a oil mill, like palm oil mill and things like oil mill. So we have a different big machines, operating machines. So suppose we have one machines. In main machines, we have a motor. Okay. So I want to check the motors. In these motors, we have sensors. What is the amperes currently running on these motors? What is the heating? What is the other in a single motor 4 or 5 type of sensors. So we all monitoring the all sensors of motors and different machines. If you have any motors, accelerators, this type of. So we are maintaining a panel for security. Suppose we have a LED. I want to see all activities of my company. suppose we have a panel. So on this panel, I monitor with the socket or sensors the current state of I am refreshing all the sensors status within the 10 seconds. So all activity of your motors you can monitor by a dashboards. With the LED, we have a different like you can create different type of. Suppose I have a 10 devices in my own organization. So I want to show that only 4. So you can select as per your compatibility. Suppose I want to all 10. Then you can select what it will maybe got some bigger. So monitoring these, like we have a separate panel for adding all those things. And we have a client panel. Suppose if I want to provide as a service. Okay, so
sorry, what is it again?
Client. CLI,
okay.
Client panel. Yeah. So suppose means we can distribute our services to a different like a franchisee. I can distribute our franchisee to other one. If also they want, then we can like sell and purchase. Same this type of thing. So the main languages I am using here like Angular and backend Node and Laravel, and so with the help of Socket.io.
You did it yourself, or you work in a team?
Yeah, individually. Before like around 5 months ago, one team member was with me. So, but right now I'm handling only individually. And before that, also like POS in Malaysia, you know the POS retail system. So
POS.
Yeah, POS. So with the Laravel, in the front end is the Vue.js. So in this software this is already published in the market. Like if you saw in the Malaysia like Baliram, Anaika. So they have the product-based company. So we already lead the softwares POS led-based systems. So already work with this like front-end and back-end both, like a full stack.
Which database did you use for that project?
Okay, means database PostgreSQL for the means the POS retail, but in this currently in the IoT MongoDB. Yes.
I see. Overseas company, and in the Indian company, Apps Technology.
Yeah.
You're senior software developer there. Yeah. Wait. Let's go back to China, Shenzhen, China.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do there?
The same.
As a software developer.
Means in China they have a own product like Amazon. Amazon is a big platform, but they have a fast feed. So they have a mobile app, mainly iOS mobile app, and they have a backend and websites. Mainly sometimes they will, but only the mobile app. So they are handling like web APIs and admin panels in the web admins like Laravel, mainly handling their backends in Laravel. And we are maintaining the iOS APIs, and also they are using Magento. But I'm not more comfortable in Magento because it's very not Magento is not good. I feel my most best friends are saying this is very best iOS framework. E-commerce.
Yeah, but your work in China is short-lived for 3 months, right?
Yeah. Just, I was returned in February. Just because that means the COVID situations that time is not good. COVID.
Okay.
So my family members was calling me again and again. Just came back. So that's why.
So when you work in China, you really went to China or remote?
Not really. I really enjoyed, but they had by LinkedIn and with a very smooth process by the same. So it's a good. The Chinese very supporting team and
Yeah.
the work.
Okay. So this is just remote.
Yeah, not
You're
on site, on site, on site.
on site. So you really went to China.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, and then okay, got it.
That was the first overseas company.
Okay, got it. And okay, and then you're still connected with Malaysian company.
Yeah.
Okay. But so you're in Malaysia. Your family is back in India.
Yeah, currently back in India, but my younger brothers married because my younger brother married in February, so that's why they was go back for the all organizing things for that preparation.
Okay. Well, so much for that personal thing. How do you update yourself with the latest technology? How do you keep up and catch up?
Mostly like suppose we are in software field. Okay, we are in software field. So IT means updated with the world, with the current world. What is going on? Suppose if I'm still working on the PHP, okay, but currently technology are moving very fast. Means in the market, daily one or two frameworks are released and new language are there just because of competitions. Most competitions. Suppose if I am working with PHP and the core PHP. At that time, when I was starting my career, while working with the core PHP, if I will not up to date, then your pay scale and your scope, you can just not growing, just less. Your friends will increase your like pay scales and all lifestyles, all those things. Suppose in the market, as per the market, like suppose like streaming, like video streaming, all the PHP will not work on the video streaming, all the real-time servers. So that's why like JS in the current time is or the JS. So as per the technology, what is like scalability. Scalability is most important thing. Scalability and time complexity, these type of things. So as per the scope, suppose currently I am working for you or any other companies. Suppose if they require, like if they want to say, suppose if you are comfortable with the React.js, I got a project with this. Are you comfortable with this? Okay, I will do it. Just give me some time or give me a task.
Okay, I was asking is how do you study? How do you catch up? How do you learn?
Means suppose because I am very fast in mostly R&D fields. Suppose you already know me, say the developer, they don't know mostly the syntax. If they know only the concept, what we want to do. So just on this concept, you can search by the Google, Stack Overflow, YouTube. The most of things you can boost yourself.
Okay. Okay. Could you tell me a project that is you're very much proud of? You really, you would say this is my work. Okay, this is what I did. Okay, do you have that kind of project that you're proud of, and what is it about?
Suppose in this current company, we have two projects like in current company, and one is my past Indian-based company. Yes, I'm telling you in the Malaysian-based company. So the current project in iOS-based, okay, you know the socket means the update like real time with databases. The socket.io, if you use the socket.io means we are playing with the socket. So these things means integrating because I was in fresher when I was starting like a socket.io. So with the sockets, web sockets. So I wasted my whole time. So means when the task was, and it's time to for the task. Then the more and my friends and colleagues are not in there for the in the same field. So the only up to me, only me means anyhow just do it. Just it's not. Yeah. So,
and you finished it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the second is an Indian-based company. Like they have a suppose xyz.com. They have a domain. Okay. Suppose if you want, suppose they have registered a organization about this. So they are providing if you need a web panel. Okay. Suppose if your business is like any informatic, you are running a studio. Okay. So you want a website for your studio. Just you can register on my panel, and we will provide you a subdomain, your studio name is XYZ, not ABC. XYZ is organization, your studio name is ABC. Then I will create a subdomain abc.xyz.com with a separate database and module. So that time when I was in 18 or 19, so I was back there. This is a PHP with coordinator. So this is a SaaS, means SaaS based project they are providing. So all those things, because I'm handling individually deploying and CI/CD, all those things with the AWS on this panel. We work with the AWS. So that time I was starting on the AWS. So I started with the AWS. So that was more effort and time. So, but anyhow, did it. I did.
Okay, thank you for your sharing of that. Now, what would make you stay in a company like another 10 years, 20 years in a company? What would make you stay there?
Suppose if if I'm working with any projects like IoT or with the Angular and Node, suppose if they have a product-based company and they have very less work, your work is only in a day, you can update just the small things, small tasks. Because if you have less work, then your future is not good. Because if you have more work and you working with the pressure, it's important for your future. So I always want pressure, whole task, more tasks always, because that's the most important thing. And if the project is also in the old technology, so that's also depends. If they allow, okay, this is in Angular 9, this is in Angular 10, okay, sure. If you want to use Angular 12, Angular 14, so how many times you can okay, sir, I will upgrade it. It's not a big deal. Just give me some time. I will upgrade chunk by chunk, small pieces. So, this type of things.
Okay, let's go to. Have you used Linux command line interface?
Yes.
Okay, so look into the chat box. Okay, I'm going to send you, this is just for confirmation, okay? So just type in the command that I'll be asking you, okay? So, okay, by the way, which distribution of Linux have you used or you're using?
Oh, version 20. Linux version.
I mean, yeah, the version and distribution. What current Linux?
Ubuntu.
Okay, got it. Okay, let's go to my question on the commands. Okay, so what is the command if I wanted to create a subod.txt? So you're in the command line. What is the command for that?
Means we want to create a new file. Okay. So we have like people. Simple that touch. Touch file name. And suppose if you and before that we can path. Okay, means as suppose I am on desktop or any, or you can previously get a path. Means like if you create on desktop, then you can give a specific path before that, or you can move simply on that specific path.
Okay. I have already subot.txt. I want to make it writable only to the owner. So what is the command?
Means only to the owner.
Yes. Writable only to the owner. So you look at the chat box. Make the file writable only to the owner.
We can set file permission like sudo. We can set permission with sudo chmod -r. Ch -r. File path. Yeah, something like that. I'll just add like
chmod. And this one is easy. I wanted to delete the file. So what is the command?
We say rm. We say remove that.
Okay. Have you heard or have you worked with hard link? I said in the chat box, hard link.
No.
Do you know what hard link is?
No, I have very less idea on this, but
that's okay. Thank you for being honest. Okay, how about Symlink? Have you worked with Symlink?
No, same. We say
okay.
Both.
Okay. How about UMask? Have you worked with UMask?
No, sorry.
Okay.
But if you give me some time,
how about?
I'm out.
Yeah. Okay. How about Sticky Bit?
Sticky Bit?
No.
Oh, very less idea because Indian company has not.
How about? Yeah. Okay. How about SUID? You know what SUID is, or have you used SUID?
SUID, I think this is like if in an iPhone, then iPhone user, then you have like same like UUID. So
okay. How about GUID? Have you worked with GUID?
GUID. No.
Okay. How about PAMD?
I'm just thinking all those words very fine.
That's okay. It's okay. Okay. What is the command if I wanted to download files from the internet?
Okay, means okay. And then you can set a file path with download parameter like download. Like if we have we have a set like anchor tag, then we can like href. If you want to any file to download, then you can set it into the HTML element like download, then the file path.
Are you there anymore?
Okay. So, okay, never mind. Have you heard of or worked with Ansible?
Ansible. Like the project management, like Scrum project management.
Mm-hmm.
No, like, why?
That's okay. Now, in Linux, have you worked with sparse file? You know what the sparse file is?
Sparse file.
Yes. Okay. How about ref links?
Ref links means, I think reference links.
Okay. Rsync. Have you worked with rsync?
I think.
Okay. How about have you?
Yeah.
Let's go to Git. You know what the Git is. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how about GitHub? You know what GitHub is?
Yes. Like we can manage. This is a they can providing like GitLab, and like one more partition. GitLab.
Okay. What is the difference between GitLab and GitHub?
Okay, so mostly the GitHub, GitHub works with the like unofficial user, like individual users. Mostly using, they are providing the less security and the pro, because GitLab is mostly focusing on the pro version, means like a premium version. So they are providing extra facility, and they provide in the free version, they provide only very less storage and the less facility, so to the managing your software. So GitLab mostly provides in the organizations, they are using GitLabs. And also they working with like modern tools, like they integrated modern tools like Jira for the managing your software with the management, like Jira software. GitLab are using with Jira software.
GitLab.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about MySQL. Okay. Do you have any experience with MariaDB?
Yeah, means very less experience, because in my previous companies, they haven't required for the MariaDB. That's why, because I am always ready for the new things, but the choices like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Firebase also. So, but I haven't, means I know something like basic introductions, like yes, suppose if we are working with the big organizations, the MariaDB is fast as per compatible with the MySQL. And suppose if you have a big storage of database, like millions of database, and if we want to clone, then it will easier. And as per time, like, suppose MariaDB supports 2 lakhs plus, means around request 2 or 3 lakhs plus request as per single as per time. And Elasticsearch, yes, suppose Elasticsearch.
Elasticsearch.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Elasticsearch. Suppose our website, means mostly we are using when our site, if we want to compatible with the in the analytic searching. Suppose if we want to search any keywords with the help of Elasticsearch, then Elasticsearch will help with your whole code with searching very fast. They can increase your searching speed. Like the third party, if we have to use like Redis and this type of things.
Okay, how about Cassandra? Have you heard of Cassandra?
Yeah, means sometimes heard, but when is Cassandra, like I think Cassandra like a server, I think server.
Okay. Which version of PHP are you using right now?
Currently is 8.
Version 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know anything about machine learning?
Means not more, but means not done things like only for the learning purpose. Like if we are working with machine learning, like Python. If we are no Python, then with the Python work with like machine learning. Like suppose the remotes and AI features are means if you want to move like in this field. So is I haven't like most experience. This is basic introduction to machine learning.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about PHP now. Okay, I'm going to send you some questions in the chat box. These are very easy, and try to answer it as fast as you can. Okay. This is just analytical test, okay? Just let's know how you think.
It was like thunder. I didn't know you were here.
Like 14.
Could you answer again? It's wrong.
14, 28. Sorry.
Okay.
And now
Next.
Which output type the code will produce print?
anymore.
27.
Okay.
Okay. I think 0.3.
Do you know what the percentage is?
Yeah, means the suppose if I divide by 5 into 13, then suppose the rest thing means the after the dot like find 0.3 like if we use 10 divided by 2, then it will not return 0, and if 13 divided by percentile, so then the rest if we divide 5 to 13, and the rest those are not dividable, so the rest thing will produce the output.
Okay. It's the remainder.
It is precedence like. Okay.
Okay, next question.
Okay. Bedum will not print because the x value is 232, and we have in the middle we have an end. If both conditions okay less than bigger than okay we print. This is bigger. Okay, it's printed 232.
Pardon? What is the answer?
The condition will true. The condition is true, then print 2. Please we don't have any. print means
So your answer is
true.
true. Okay. Next.
Okay, not. Like false,
Why false?
because we have not, but one condition is correct. The second condition is correct, but as per the we have not signed in the previous, so this will convert is opposite to false. Okay, means 200 into, yeah, means true. The first condition is also true.
What made it true?
True. But true.
There's something there that made it true.
Yes.
Anyway, okay. Now, anyway, thank you for your answers. Now, let's go back to your code. Okay, the one that I told you to simplify. Okay, because in my instruction is at least 10 lines. Okay, but these are a lot. You can eliminate the remarks, and then still, it's kind of a bit long. Okay. I'm going to set you an interview with sometime next week, but I want you to answer some practical tests, okay? But before doing that, let me ask you, how much are you earning right now with the company that you're working with in Malaysia?
My current 11K in 11,000 Malaysian.
11,000. Which
Malaysian.
currency is that?
Malaysian.
Wait, let me convert that.
So, by the USD.
Malaysian. Is it rupee? Malaysian. Wait. Ringgit. Sorry, ringgit.
And by 2.
Okay, let me convert that into US dollars. So that is 11,000. Okay, and that is monthly. Your monthly, right?
Yes.
Malaysian ringgit. MIR. So that is, if we convert that into dollars, that is monthly.
Yeah, around
That is a face to face, right? Yeah, that is you go to the office every day. You go to the office, and then you dressed up, and yeah. Okay, is the price negotiable for a remote job?
Okay, how much? Because
I don't know.
okay.
You tell me, because we pretty much on your next interview next week, after you answer the practical test I'm going to send you, we will weigh. Okay, we will see that if the salary would match your skill set. Okay. And
Okay.
then you can negotiate.
Okay. How much means how much your last budget?
I don't know. It's up to you. So
Okay.
you told me that 11 MYR Malaysian ringgit on monthly, and that is roughly for about 2,400 US dollars a month. Okay. No need to answer that now.
20, yeah, it's around
Okay.
200, 2,200.
2,200
Yeah, because
US dollar.
yeah, at least 10,000. 10,000
Okay.
or 9 to 10,000 around this means M by year.
Okay.
9 to 10.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for that. Okay. And I noted it down. Now, I'm going to send you 3 more practical tests. And then I hope you can. Are you doing anything today? Are you still at work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can
So I'm going to-
if it's like a short task, then I will work on my weekend. This weekend, I did.
Okay. Okay. What I'm about to email to you now. Okay. Now, practical test. Now, I want you to go back to the code simplification. Like I told you, try to reduce it to 10 lines only. Okay? Yeah, do your best. And then, and wait, the practical test here. I have here a code simplification. Okay, wait, give me a moment. Sorry, because by the way, Nobleprog, you'll be working with really good developers from different parts of the globe.
Yeah, I already started. I'm just in the night. I'm just searching about your company. Mostly all employees are working with remotely because like you are in Philippines, right? You're in Philippines and yeah, I was scrolling all those things. So then the final conclusion is yes, nice company. You can work.
Yeah, and we work remotely, and then you'll be working with different developers from different parts of the globe. We also have from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Philippines, and from Poland, from UK. Yeah, and I'm about to send you. Simplification. Give me a moment. Okay, now I'll just send it here. Okay. To simplify the code. No, I'll just send it to you. Okay, simplify the code. There are 3 tests. This will be the last, and then I'm gonna be setting a interview next week. Okay, practice. Okay, simplification of code, and you have another one. It's about fixing codes. Okay.
Okay. Need to fix the bugs.
And this time you would give me solutions. Okay. Number 1, simplify the code, see attached, and then your second. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock here. We have the same time, by the way.
Same time, AM and PM.
The following code. Okay, send. Okay, now open up your email so that I can give you an instruction for that.
Okay.
recruiter at Nobleprog, Jeff.
Yes. I received.
Okay, now, number one is simplify the code. I attached it, okay, the PDF file, and then the second practical test. The second practical test is concerns about security vulnerability. Okay, so there's a test 1 and 2. You can see the code there. Tell me what's wrong with it and how to fix it, and what's the solution. Okay, now I hope you can answer that within the day, and then by tomorrow I'll try to look for a schedule for your second interview. Okay.
Okay.
And then email me the first practical test. Okay. Do you have any question? I can see that I thought you might have a.
It's not very long. It's a very simple.
Okay. Now review again the first practical test, the training word. So if you could then compress it. Okay. Simplify the code. Then email it to me. Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions for me, Subodh?
Not right now. Maybe in the last.
Okay. Next week. Next week, perhaps. Okay. So thank you very much, Subodh, for your time. By the way, okay, just to make things clear, this is for a full-time employment. Okay. You're aware of that.
Yes.
Yeah, because a lot of candidates thought it's just a part-time. No, it's not. This is a full-time. Okay. Thank you very much, Subodh. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll wait for your email. Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Subodh. Okay.
Have a nice time.